The minister said developments like this one here at Newton in Christchurch is part of the renewed vision for the industry and started with the changing of what was once known as the government industrial estates to equal industrial parks. Pointing to the establishing of the International Food Science Centre, also at Newton, as an example, he said it is already making its presence felt.
The aim is to establish a top-notch work environment that embodies the concept of circular economy across the entire estate. To achieve some of these goals, it is proposed that the estate will house a biogas plant that will use agricultural waste, manure, plant material, green garbage, and food waste to generate energy to power the businesses that lie within the estate and feed back to the national grid if and when there is excess.
The industry minister said the parks would be shared use facilities with cutting-edge technology.
Its purpose is to provide a plant where local food processors, particularly those who produce sauces and condiments, can operate in a controlled environment designed to meet international standards. Achieving this breaks down those barriers to entry relative to the larger, more industrialized markets for export. The business model for this facility has gone through several iterations, but has been now streamlined, gaining significant traction for its ability to assist local producers with contract production in the local market, as well as the fulfillment of international orders.
The minister said the evolution of these government estates will facilitate the island's smooth transition to the new industrial revolution that is now upon us.
Similar initiatives are already underway with the Mechanics Bay in Grisette's Industrial Park, a fashion cluster at Harbour Industrial Estate in collaboration with the National Cultural Foundation, and a furniture cluster at the Spring Garden Estate. We are fully aware that cluster development is not a new concept, but everyone before has only spoken about it or toyed around with the idea. Through the bold leadership of the board of directors and its management, ably led by CEO Mark Hill and others and team, Export Barbados has finally embraced this alternative and innovative approach to industrial development, and from here, the sky is the limit for our collective economic development and advancement.
The equal industrial parks are expected to bring Barbados more in line with World Trade Organization standards. Trevor Thorpe for the Business Report.